Hey everyone, welcome to Veriheal's Munchies. Today we are visiting Kike's Tacos, a former taco truck turned brick and mortar. Let's check it out. Kike's is famous for their red tacos, otherwise known as their quesadilla tacos. Quesadilla tacos are quite popular. You cook meat with chilies and onions, blend that up, and pour it back in with the meat. The broth, or consume, is used to coat the tortillas that have cheese grilled onto them. You take the meat out of the stew and place on the tortilla and fold it into a taco. The tacos are then served with a side of consume. Kike's is unique in that it serves not only birria tacos, but a birria ramen, combining these Latin flavors with Asian cuisine for a fusion that will make your mouth water. Overall, a delicious meal was had by all. Thanks for joining us today. This is Munchies brought to you by Veriheal. Be sure to like and subscribe for more.